One Contractor by QSoft. So I'm going to show you today an example of an application that you can make and have it very robust and yet also tailored to your exact business processes. Please note today that our business processes might be slightly different from yours, but that this application can be tailored to your own. First, I'm going to show you that we have a dashboard widget which will show you what's billable, in progress, and open balance. As well, you'll be able to see what you need to make in terms of material payments to your suppliers, what's started or ready to be started, what's ready to schedule and to complete by this week. As well as you'll be able to see by the project pie who's creating sales and to what percentage they can be attributed to. The next section is My Active Customers. What you can see on My Active Customers is that you have a list of your most recent customers, and then from underneath there you'll have three key reports, which are My Pending Projects, My Jobs in Progress, and Open Invoices. I will say that you can simply switch the view to this and go see all the customer and company views and all the different projects that might be going on in your company. So let's say for a moment I go to Sally Hansen up here and I'm going to go add a project to Sally Hansen's. I can go add a wood floor job, and her information was already set up from the customer profile level, so I'll be able to go in and quickly add a whole nother job to this. Let's say I'm going to give her a remodel bid. I'm going to change the margin to 0.65, a sell rate, and then I'm going to hit save. As soon as I hit save, I'm viewing all the key information, but most importantly, I can see the create bid items. I'm going to click on that button, and now I can go in and add a group configuration and go pick line items that I want to create. So now I just loaded many line items at once, and from the category here, the group name, which I can see all the options if I need to change something, and now I can create and add my primary part to it. So let's say I'm going to create a product, and I'm going to estimate, and I'm going to add English Pub Whiskey as a primary product. I can create a quantity. I can add my quantity for prep. I can add my quantity for freight, and I can add my shoe molding items right here. So I can say I've got 150 linear foot of shoe molding. So if I have any other additional items, like if I have a need for any other type of products, I can go add them simply right in here. Whether it's a different type of product or maybe just some wood trim pieces. So today I'll say I need a wood T-molding. I'm going to say I need one of those. And now I'm pretty much ready to go create my bid items. Bam, it's going. It's ready to create, and now I am at a screen which is called Grid Edit, which is kind of like a spreadsheet. Okay, and so I'm going to quickly create this. And because I already have my primary part in, my sundry item parts are already pre-programmed in. And if I manage my item list correctly, I never have to go in and update the cost on an actual estimate. It's done for me. So I can say I'm going to buy 500 feet of raw estimated quantity at a price of $369 a foot with 26 square feet per box using the standard waste factor, which should be fine for this application. And I'm going to sell the customer 546 square feet of wood material, which is going to pre-calculate at $8.87 a foot. Now, if I wanted to pay more in labor, I could simply put a value here, or if I wanted to change the amount I was paying a customer, I could put a value here or over in here. If one of these bid items was not applicable to this job, I could simply click to remove it, but in this case, I'm going to leave it in for this demonstration. Now I'm going to save the estimate, and now that I've saved the estimate, I'm pretty much needing to go back and put in one key thing here. I need to put that supplier name there, save, and now I am done. If I wanted to send this customer, I could send them an estimate that they could go ahead and sign. They would receive an email notification, and at which time they can view the estimate and then sign it. When notified, I will receive it back, and then we can begin the process for their job. I'm going to stop for this video and link you to the next one. Thank you so much for visiting and watching this presentation.